Welcome to the Miami-Dade Public Library System. We are excited to announce a new change to searching the catalog. We hope you will find everything you're looking for and maybe even discover new favorite titles as you explore the library. One of the features of our new catalog search is the ability to quickly and easily see formats grouped together in one clear display that is easy to see on any device. From a big screen monitor to a mobile phone. The new catalog also shows you ebook copies that you can check out directly to your device. Simply click the ebook tab and then select the Get It button over on the right-hand side to check out that material. Log in with your library username or barcode and your 4-digit PIN or passcode, and that material will be made available directly on the Libby app and the Overdrive website. Another feature of the new catalog is the ability to predict what you are looking for. In this case, you'll see a "Did you mean the Black Widow?" When the formats are displayed on screen, you can easily see all the formats grouped together and the one place hold button over on the right-hand side. Clicking the Place Hold button will initiate a hold request for whichever format is selected. The default is usually the print book version. So be sure to select the tab of the format you would like, such as large print, before clicking Place Hold. The system will pre-select your home branch as the pickup location, or you can select a different branch from the drop-down menu. If you'd like to use the Libraries at Your Door home delivery service to have materials mailed directly to your home for free, select the Please Mail This to Me button. We'll let you know when the material is ready to be picked up or if it has shipped to your home. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a link to My Bookshelf, where you can see titles you have checked out, including ebooks. You can save titles to bookmarks, you can save your favorite searches, and you can save your reading history. Another popular feature of our new catalog is the ability to see more information about a title. When you select a title, you'll see a summary, and then over on the left-hand side, a See Full Excerpt button will appear. Scroll down, and you will also see that this title is on the New York Times bestseller list. You'll also see a section for You May Also Like, Related Resources, Topics to Explore, and even more: reader reviews, professional reviews, awards this title has won, about the author, and other contributors. For many titles, you will see that they are part of a series with the More in This Series box. Grayed out titles mean that the specific title isn't available, but you can still see other titles in the series that are. Click the Full Series button to see all of the titles in the series in order. Further down the display, you can see what reading level this title falls under, and you can browse by reading level to see other materials in that Lexile range, accelerated reader level, or same age and grade level. And you can adjust that reading level to find other materials you may be interested in reading. Simply adjust the scroll button in order to find other materials in the range that you are interested in. Click the search button to get a whole range of other materials presented to you. The You May Also Like section has a button to display more recommendations, which will show similar authors, tags, and genre. As you explore our new catalog, help is available at any time by coming up to the right-hand side and clicking the question mark at the top of the screen. Finally, on the left side of the page, you'll see a link back to the classic catalog, and you'll see a link to take our survey. Please take a moment to let us know what you think of the new catalog. We hope you find much to explore with the new Miami-Dade Public Library System catalog. Check it out today.